Hello.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I did receive a lot of questions regarding about the internship program. So what I did is I listed them all up and then I'm putting them one up in one video just so everyone could know, like, based on my experience lang to ha. Disclaimer, not everyone has the same experience. Like, hindi kami lahat. Not all interns have the same experiences. It's because they're into they're assigned in different states, city, and as well as company, and tsaka different department din. So iba-iba talaga yung experience natin. But actually most of the questions are more on like parang general, like agency, yung pera, yung lahat-lahat. Okay, let's start. So first is, what is my agency? Agency is a Cebu based kasi I'm from Cebu, actually Lapu-Lapu City. So yung agency ko is Interexchange Global Opportunities. May bago silang office. I'll put their link down below kasi I don't know the exact address kung saan yung bagong office nila, Miss Crizia. Regarding about the visa now that you're gonna get, J1 visa, this is a non-immigrant student visa, just to be clear about that. Next is, how much did I spend for this program? That one, it really depends on which agency you applied. Sa akin, mga roughly 300,000 pesos. Not included pa yung baon natin papuntang states. That one included na yung airfare, lahat ng mga payments natin sa embassy, yung program fee nyo, medical, yung mga ganon-ganon. Next question is, how long was the process? Basically, requirement ng program na ito is a fresh graduate. I graduated March. That's when I started handing out my resume, signing their papers, all those affidavits. So basically, that's like that's my starting point, March or April. Let's just say April. And then around June, that's when I had my first interview, and luckily I got in. So June 6, I'm not pretty sure. First week of June, may interview na ako nun. And then I got in. You get the result maybe 3 to 5 business days when they will email you, like if you got in or not. If you don't have to worry. Ang dami-dami talagang hotel sa States. So you will always have a lot of options as well. First week of June, I had my interview and then I got accepted. I found out like second week. So that's when I started processing. So they're gonna, as soon as you get accepted, they're gonna give you a training plan. They're gonna send a training plan. It'll look like wait lang ha. Prepared yung atin nyo. It'll look like this, like 45 pages. So basically, it will show all your names, your name, all guys, na ano yung battery, na lowbat. Charge ako kadiyutikan. So asa naman tato eh. So we'll sign these papers in English and then we'll have to send it. The agency will send it back to the States. They'll sign it and then send it back here because this is one of the requirements for you and during your interviews. And let's see, this is like one of the requirements na check nila. So after you get your training plan, your agent, so that's when you'll do also apply for a visa sponsor. My visa sponsor was Wise. They were really nice. They always check up on me every month. Like, they always send emails, and then they give a lot of tips on like what are the fun things to do for the month, recipes. Like, they're very helpful. And then after getting a visa sponsor, after applying for those, you get your visa sponsor interview as well. So after that, you already got a job, a visa sponsor, so then you're definitely ready to book your appointment for your visa. So your agency will take care of that. You just need to make sure you paid for the application fee, which is around $160, but we have to pay it through pesos. So equivalent yata yan ng mga 8,000 pesos, roughly around that. You can pay, I think, Palawan. I am not pretty sure Palawan or something. Like, you get the receipt, which is yung number din na nasa receipt needed when booking it through online. You're gonna need your passport, the receipt, and then the 10-digit in your confirmation something, your agency will really take care of that for you. And then after booking that, you're just gonna show up and then boom, do the interview. So I did my interview around August, first week of August. Pretty sure it was Wednesday or Thursday, but I flew to Manila. Lumipad ako noon, Tagalog na para safe, diba? Lumipad ako noon a day before, so para fresh naman yung ate nyo sa interview. Actually, I got it. So you'll definitely know on the spot if you got accepted or not. If they keep your passport, that's good. If not, then better luck next time. Reapply again. So they kept my passport. I have to wait 3 to 5 business days for them to mail it to my agency. After that, as soon as you get your visa, what happens is your agency will book you for your PDOS orientation. That one is really required before you fly out going to States. So I had my visa Monday. We booked the PDOS Monday too, as well as my flight. So I got it Monday, okay? Monday. Let's say roughly first week of August, Monday. And then we booked my PDOS on Wednesday. Then I have to fly Friday morning. So it was quite expensive, but then it's just that yung company ko in-rush na sila ng interns. So roughly yung process ko is 3 months. Next question is the travel tax. So I have right in front of me here is the receipt. So on the days ng flight nyo, still bring money, like peso money. You also need to bring dollars as well, because magpa-pay pa kayo ng travel tax, which is 400 pesos. I'm not pretty sure if constant, but 400 pesos. But it says here registration fee and documentary stamp tax. After that, what other things you'll bring with you during the flight is bring all your documents with you, all your paper stuff. Don't put them to your sa luggage na i-check in. You bring it with you. Like, I highly suggest use a backpack. Slime mess. Use a backpack, and then also don't forget your laptop. You have to put it in your backpack, carry on. Di na siya pwede sa check-in bags, guys. Lahat ng import, kahit birth certificate ko, dinala ko mga kasi here's the point, what if yung immigration may questions, diba? At least you still have your documents with you para smooth sailing lang yung ano mo, like yung parang firm ka, wala kang nagkakatakot every time you'll be facing the immigration. Next is, so yan, fly na tayo, ganon, fly na tayo Pinas to US. What are you gonna do after? You have to inform your visa sponsor, and you also have to do your I-90 form. This one you have to do it online. After that, sa akin, pagpunta ko doon, yung company ko nag-offer sila ng 1 week stay sa hotel while I'm still like on the verge of, while naghahanap ako ng apartment, nagpa-process ako ng bank accounts, yung social security number ko, lahat-lahat, pinastay kami sa hotel. Next is, which hotel did I work and department? Kakaloka, guys. Ulit na naman kasi na-full yung battery. Na-full yung memory card. Saan na ba nga tayo nun? Hyatt Regency, Columbus in Ohio. And then, I was their front office host for a year. Meron din mga ibang interns nasa culinary, nasa food and beverage. Those are 3 departments na pwede sa hotel na nasan ako. Thank God, I was really in a good position. It was not, ang buko best. It was not a crazy state. It wasn't, I'm not saying there is a crazy state, but you know what I mean. Hindi siya magulo, like very peaceful. Hindi siya magulo, very peaceful. Halang joy, ha. What I mean is, family-oriented siya na city talaga. Like, I don't know. I love Columbus. I love Ohio. Shout out to Kyle's parents, Megan and Rob, for giving me this. So cute, guys. So ito yung Ohio. Very sweet of them with the chocolate cake as well. But yeah, back to the topic. Salary and benefits. So yung starting salary ko is $10.20 per hour, plus yung mga commissions sa front desk. Hotel discounts for employees, free food, free uniform, and then a lot has been asking about my housing din. Yun nga, pagdating ko, pinastay kami, I think 1 or 2 weeks sa hotel while we're looking for apartments. Good thing yung previous interns naman, yung neighbor nila, umalis. So, we took the place. It's a 1-bedroom apartment. And then, it's just a 15 to 20-minute walk from the hotel then. So, it was a really, really, really good place for us. And it was very, very cheap as well. It was $550 per month. Plus, yung ano pa ha? Plus, yung water, gas, tsaka electricity. Hindi ako makaka-give ng assurance na ganun din yung amount ng housing nyo soon. Because it still depends on the state and city that you will be assigned, really. How does transportation work? Columbus, we don't have train, but we do have the quota. So, bus, nagbabus kami. We used to do this small card for $60 per month. That is unlimited na. But luckily around January they had this program. Sa Columbus lang to guys ha. They had a program wherein if you work in downtown, they're gonna give you a free pass. Like they have the application, and then we're just gonna scan our phone, and then we get free rides at any bus line at all. If you're assigned kung may mga na state or city na may train, that is really, really good. Meron din silang Uber, Lyft. If you prefer to bike, that's good. Daming nag-ask ng pocket money as well. So, I brought 1,200, I think. Next gastos mo is, if ever hindi kayo sunduin, ride nyo. Transportation nyo pa hotel or sa grocery. Down payment nyo sa rent for the first month. Security deposit at saka down payment. Para na din yung parang I think 2 months na din yan. Then lastly, yung mga furnitures nyo. Sa akin, kumastos yata ako ng mga $800 for my first 3 weeks. But here's the thing too. As soon as you start like working, like doing your paperwork with your human resources, you already paid for that per hour. And then the next thing you'll know, after that week, you're getting paid na. So you're earning na. So parang ang dami mo ng sobra sa baon mo. But I do get it. They're just making sure that we have enough money. Yeah, I guess that's it. Those are all the questions that I have here. If you do have any other questions, just comment down below. I will still answer those. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching. That's it. Bye!